Hi YouTube, it's May 23rd and I have midterms starting Monday. It is currently Friday and I also have 2 assignments to do for the 26th. So, fun. This is going to be a good weekend. I also start work tomorrow at my new job, future job. So yeah, definitely, definitely a busy weekend for me. I also need to get a bath and kind of relax a bit today too. Had a hectic day. I woke up pretty much already late for school. Like I woke up about a half hour before I was supposed to be there, so I had to just shove on clothes. I didn't get to have like a shower this morning, which is kind of gross. I went to school and because I had a test first period, like not like a huge test, but a little quiz worth 2% of our grade. So I had to go do that, finish off a lab. And then I had a student council meeting, then I had to go talk to work because I got a call from the manager guy today saying, "Oh, you're starting tomorrow." And I'm like, "Oh, that's funny because I was supposed to work in my old job tomorrow." So, yeah. So anyway, everything's figured out. It's all good now. Like it's been a good day, just hectic, and I felt rushed all day. And now it's 6:30 and it's time for me to relax. Yeah, have a nice little bath. Get ready for tonight and stuff, do assignments, fun. Anyway, I'm gonna go. This is kind of boring, just regular typical day in life for me. No big. So I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye, dude.